and using that how to install WordPress on your website and pointing domain. So let's start. So here I'm opened up Putty and going to give my IP address. This is my IP, which is going to be changed by the way. I'm logging as root. Just copy password and paste it. You are unable to see my password because it is hidden. So here the command, just you have to paste this. I'm going to give you in description this command. So basically it's open vesta.conf file which is placed in local directory of your Linux, and you have to add file manager underscore key and is equal to single quote ILOVEREO. This is the code we have to type over there. Just type what I'm typing over here and close it and save it. You have to press Ctrl+X. Yes, Ctrl+X, and then you have to type Y to save and just give a reboot command and it will reboot the Vesta control panel. Once you do reboot and go to server, it will by default it will not get enabled. Just you have to click on server and config or configuration. In server you have to, in first option configuration, you will get option of file manager. Just you can see, just setting. Just you see configure, click on configure and you see the option over there, file manager. Now I'm going to do point our domain IP. This is my domain zarif.me. I'm going to point it to Vesta control panel. Just typing, adding your domain zarif.me. And if you want to add SSL, just Letsencrypt, make sure that it has been added. Here I have not pointed IP and just try to add. It's, I don't know why it shouldn't happen. Already pointed, might be it already pointed. So go inside your public.html directory and delete this index.html file. And go to wordpress.org, download latest.zip file, and all you have to do, upload that latest.zip file to Vesta control panel. As you can see, I am uploading it. You have to do this, you have to follow the same step. Once it get uploaded, you have to extract it, and once you extracted it, delete the zip file. And now we have to create a database. First of all, I'm again checking my domain is pointed or not. I'm just enabling my Letsencrypt. It was not enabled by default. Then that time I have pointed, but my IP was not pointed to Vesta control panel IP address. So now I have pointed that. It is a very simple step. I a little bit got distracted. So you can do it easily. Just take IP address and paste it in a record and create www and as C name, or you can directly point if your domain provider allows you. See, I have open again. My domain is hosted on Cloudflare. I'm pointing my IP address over there again. So it was not pointed previously. Just save. I'm using Cloudflare. You can use any other provider, whatever. Might be name, Gmail, GoDaddy or Bigro, whatever it might be. Just save it. Once you save, then only the Let's Encrypt will get applied and you will get that secure green lock. So I'm doing again saving, and this time it got applied. It will take some time, but just you have to click on web, and by default you can see that it's already been done smoothly. So you can see that SSL support Let's Encrypt. Now I'm going to create a database for our WordPress installation. We already placed all files of WordPress in file manager. Now creating a database and password. I have given database name new WP and username also new WP. It will be easy to remember. You can give username and database name separately if you can, but I don't remember those things, so I made it simple. And you just type your domain in browser and it will get a installation page. Choose as English. Let's go and give your database name and you can admin new WP and your password of database, and then submit it and run the installation. Here we'll ask for your site title, website title. You can give it over here or you can let us. And username, password is important. You have to save it somewhere. And your email ID to recover your admin username and password. And our WordPress installation is complete. Now SSL is still not applied over here, as you can see that. Just go to setting in general and in permal and in website address or URL, just you have to add https and save it. Once you're done, you get logged out and your connection will be secure. As you can see, connection is secure. So this was not a short, but I tried to make it short, but sometimes some error will happen. So subscribe to my channel and share it and like it.